Hello guys, we are playing a Nerf war. I have a double barrel shotgun and and I just died, and a minigun, like the best minigun in the world. I'm sorry if my finger gets in the way a lot, but yeah, I'll just be holding it. Let me just do that, okay. Both dead! Okay guys, yeah. I just got 2 kills. You can hear me going for the bushes here. This is my opponent.
Dead.
Okay, I just died again from the boss. Yeah, I'm going out there without my shotgun here. This is the gun I'm using. Here, let me just set it on the floor just so you can see it. It is pretty amazing. So, I can't use how it's supposed to be because I'm holding you guys, but yeah. It does come in loud sound, so I just don't know where it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I don't want to be dead. How do I keep dying? So guys, I just died again because I'm a noob head, and yeah. Ultimate Nerf 4 here. I'm gonna switch my guns. Shotgun time. Okay. Guys, I'm ready. No, I killed you.
We're both dead. We both shot each other in my...
Okay. I just died and I killed Ethan. So guys, respawn. Come back with the shotgun, guys. Dead, both of you. I just got a kill on the ball. What?
You start school Monday, right?
Yeah. So, dead. Whoa! Dead. No, you're dead.
You're dead too.
No, I got you with a headshot.
And I got you.
No, he's lying, guys. He's lying. He's a liar.
I shot you and you shot me.
You're dead. Okay, Evan, this guy just beat me.